Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply filters in Excel, and then we will also discuss utility of filters, why they are important and how to use it. So I'm going to show you three methods using which you can apply the filters. So I have this data set wherein I have order ID, date, customer name, region, product, and so on. So I select this entire table, then I go to data tab and I click on filters. So you can see these icons appearing on the headers of the columns. So this is the one way. Now let me remove it. Then another way you can apply filter is keep the data selected, and in the home tab itself, if you go to editing option, you will see sort and filter. You can click on the downward arrow, the small downward arrow that you see here, and then you can just click on filter. So this was the another way, and the third way is like shortcut key. Without using mouse, you can apply filter. Like you select the data, then you have to press alt, then A, and then T on your keyboard, and you can see the filters gets applied. As far as utility of the filter is concerned, let's say I want to see the sales or sale line items of north region, let's say. So what I can do is I can click on this downward arrow on the region column, unselect all, and then select north only. So I can see my line items for north. Then let's say within north, if I want to see uh, what was the sale of, let's say, electronics, I want to see only electronics within north. So what I can do is I can either unselect and then select electronics, or maybe just unselect furniture so that only electronics data can be displayed. So I'll now just remove these filters. So I unselect everything, I select all, and then our entire table is back. So this is how we can apply filters, and this is the utility use of filters.